If you are someone that likes to wear your hair up, but you want a different option, I think I have one for you. I've mentioned this in some past videos, but I've never really showed how to use this. So today I'm going to show you how I use this. This is called a French pin, and this one is from Deborah Pagini. I hope I'm pronouncing her last name right. This is a piece of jewelry, okay? I do have the ones from Target, and actually, well, let me go get them so I can show you the difference. I don't remember what brand this is, but I bought this first. And you can see it's bent. It's just crap. This is just crap. I mean, it's just crap, okay? This is really, really nice. This is made really, really well, and you can't bend it, okay? It's really, really sturdy. And like I said, this is like a piece of hair jewelry. This is something that I can pass down to my daughter, kind of a thing. Like, it's really good quality. So just know that. I believe this retails for $100. I believe that's what I paid for it, and it's worth every freaking penny. I love it. It comes with me everywhere I go because sometimes I start out the day with my hair straight or curly, and then it gets hot and icky, so I need an option to pull my hair up. And this is what I like instead of a scrunchie. I have a scrunchie on. I'll show you. Those are okay for around the house, but not going out. The other option, I don't think I have it in front of me, but I have those little coily things. And when my hair was short, it was okay, but my hair is longer now. And so I need to have an option to pull my hair up when I want to wear it up. And I like the way it looks when it's up. So this is what I do. And it's really easy to use. Now, I don't always have a brush on me when I'm out, but I'm just brushing it now. But when I'm out, I don't even use a brush, okay? I just use my hands, and I can do it really easily. So I take my hair, and I'm going to turn around. And, yeah. Okay, so we're going to twist your hair to make a bun. Make sure you get all of your hair in it, and hopefully I do, because I'm not in front of a mirror. And then you take this, push it down, twist it kind of, and then you just push it through. And that's it. That's it. My hair's in. See? I'll do it again. Okay, so you twist it. Twist it. Then you take your pin, put it in, and then you bring it through. And that's it. And hopefully I got it all in. I filmed this a couple times because I'm not in front of the mirror and I have like a couple hairs hanging down. But look at how cute that is. See? And it stays in. I love it. I wear this all the time. This comes with me everywhere I go. When I go shopping, when I'm going to a park, whatever, I have it in. It just looks so nice. And she has some other designs. I've been thinking about getting another one because I like it so much. She does have smaller ones. So if you just want to do like a half, I don't do that. I don't really like that on me, but some people like do like a half bun or something and have the rest of their hair down or something. There's smaller ones too. I will say that you have to have your hair long enough. I was able to do it when my hair was like about here, I think, like a shoulder length at least. I think you need at least shoulder length here to be able to do it. But I've been using this for over a year now, I feel like, and I love it. I love it. It's like it's kind of, it's not this, okay, as far as the cost, but it's made so much better because it's just crappy. And she has so many pretty designs. I'm definitely eventually going to get another one because I just think it's just such a cute, easy way to do a bun. And it just looks so pretty in your hair. And you could be dressed up and have a really pretty bun, or you could just be casual and have your hair up. I don't know. I just really, really like it. I just want to share it because if you're somebody like me that, you know what I mean, you want to wear your hair up, but you don't want to put a bunch of pins in your hair, whatever, this is great. And it will stay in my hair. Now, occasionally, if I didn't do it right, so I'm not in front of a mirror. Sometimes that will happen. I don't do it right because I'm not in front of a mirror. I can't see what I'm doing. Then I have to redo it. But for the most part, this will stay in my hair all freaking day. I mean, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I have a couple hairs that are out, and I don't really care. You know what I mean? It's just, I love it. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that this was a fun and helpful little video for you. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. And I have a whole playlist of different ways that I wear my hair. I have hair, tutorials where I'm curling my hair with a curling iron, and I think I have a flat iron one. I have all kinds of there. So if I remember, I will put it below, but you can go ahead and take a look at my page. You'll see all my playlists on there of all different things, and you can even search on there if there's something that you're looking for. So I would love to have you join. And for all of you that are OGs, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for following. It really means a lot to me. Before you leave, I would greatly appreciate it if you would do me a huge favor. Could you please make sure that if you enjoyed my video, that you like, share, and comment on it, because it does help to push them out to the algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.